4 reasons why programming or coding might seem difficult or hard to learn. 1. You think it's too difficult. Now, I'm not saying that programming is easy, but once you believe that it's too difficult to learn, that becomes your reality. 2. You are not consistent. Now, when it comes to programming or coding, consistency is king. Now, it is believed among experts that it's better to practice for 1 hour a day than to code for 3 hours every 3 days. 3. Unrealistic expectations. Now, this is very common with beginners. When you have unrealistic expectations, what it does is 1. It makes you impatient. 2. You put a lot of pressure on yourself. And 3. You give up easily. 4. And very important is you practice very little. Now, most beginners, when they are starting out, they tend to sit down and watch tutorials after tutorials after tutorials. Now, if you don't actually code yourself, you find out at the end of the day that you learn very little. When it comes to programming, those